How to activate Barclay credit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to activate Barclay credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Barclays website. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Enter your online banking username and password to log in into your account. You can choose the mode of login. If you haven't registered yet, click on the register link. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Look for the services or manage your account section. Under this section, you will see an option activate card. Click on it. Now you will need to enter your card details. This includes your credit card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back of your card. Make sure you have your card handy. Take your time to enter the information correctly. Once you have filled the details, click on submit or activate. Once your card details are verified, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your credit card has been successfully activated. You are now ready to use Barclays credit card, and that's it. Activating your Barclays credit card online is that simple. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial like this. See you on the next video.